you doing with the
It's
Wolves?
been amazing. I've been here since yesterday.
Yeah.
We watched the Wolves game today,
Did you enjoy it?
which was great. Yeah, Wolves won 3-1,
Excellent.
and so it's been really amazing.
Yeah.
Met the Indian community today.
Superb.
So I've been really happy with the trip. The reason it really interested me also and us at JCT was because of the large following that the Wolves have with the Punjabi community here and the large Punjabi community that there is in Wolverhampton. So I thought that would be something that would be sustainable in the long run because of the community backing that there is for this, that there could be for this relationship. And that's how we started talking, and then the Wolves came down to see our facilities in May,
Right.
and that's where we signed the formal agreement with them.
Excellent.
And now we want to gradually take this relationship forward. With sending some of our players here, spending some time before the season starts next year. Maybe some of our coaches, having the Wolves coaches come there. We run some academies in Punjab, so just work closely with them and just basically try and work towards improving the standard of football in India and in Punjab.
Sure. So JCT are a very successful football team. They've won many awards, many competitions and cups. Quite at the top of the Indian Football League.
Yeah, well, the team was started by my father in 1971.
Right.
He's a very avid football fan, and so he started it in '71, and I've been managing the team for the last 20 years.
Sure.
And I love football myself. And the team's done very well since it started. And we are a Punjab-based team.
Right.
And as a philosophy, most of our players are from Punjab.
So how many Punjabis are there in the actual national team?
We currently have two boys
Okay.
who are playing on the national team.
Right.
The current coach of the national team, he's an Englishman,
Okay.
Bob Houghton, and whenever he meets me, he always tells me, I want more boys from Punjab. And he recently called 4 boys for the camp. That
Okay.
was the India camp. There was a break in the league, so he's very keen on our Punjab boys. And he always tells me, he says, the boys are strong, they're physically big, strong, and I need big, tall boys to play, because it's a physical game, and when you're playing countries with the boys are very physical and strong. So we're getting more and more boys, I think, and we'll see more boys from Punjab playing in the team.
So with about 100,000 people at a stadium all cheering the local team, must be a great atmosphere.
It's a great atmosphere, but imagine when JCT plays East Bengal and there's 100,000 people cheering
Wow.
East Bengal, and we are like 3 people in the stadium cheering JCT. But it is a great atmosphere because when you have 100,000 people cheering their side in Calcutta, but it is amazing. It really is amazing.